The Broil King Smoker Boxes. Easily enhance your meals with bold, smoky flavor by utilizing the line of Broil King Smoker Boxes. Whether you're using wood chips or pellets, each of the stainless steel Broil King Smoker Boxes deliver amazing smoking power with minimal effort. The smoker boxes are designed to sit on top of the Flav-R-Wave or directly on the cooking grids. Use the integrated handles or the grid lifter multi-tool to easily remove your smoker box from the grill or to add more pellets or chips. For even more creativity and flexibility, combine water or flavored liquids to your chips to maintain moisture in the grill and create unique flavor profiles. These amazing smoker boxes are designed for your gas grill, but they give you the intense smoky flavor you'd expect from a charcoal or pellet grill. The Broil King Smoker Boxes. Broil King, do more with your grill.